What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock, and let's do the price action analysis as for after earnings. So we had earnings yesterday. We won't go over earnings today. So if you want to know more about what we covered on earnings for SMCI stock and what my projections were going in today, check this video out on my channel. This goes over everything regarding earnings and things looking forward. So in this video, we'll be focusing on technicals and some of the articles and news that we have. So before that, I also want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. If you need access to my tools that you will see throughout this video and that you see in other videos, links to my tools are in the description below of this video. All right, guys, let's begin. So we gapped down after the earnings, right? We were selling off right until this level of around $780 or so. And I talked about that, guys, since SMCI hasn't really changed the technicals or the structure after the earnings as well. And that's why I like to see earnings because, well, the technicals are different before earnings and after earnings, okay? The chart changes. And in case of SMCI, yes, we have new technicals after earnings, but this happens to be that technicals are still in the downward side as how they have been rejecting this trend line forever. And we have done the same, rejected here as well yesterday. And then we saw a sell-off in the post-market in the earnings time. And for today, I did mention that, guys, usually when we are in the same structure and earnings, and in this case, we have a gap down, we will most likely follow the same direction. And so I mentioned that in my yesterday video that SMCI earnings sell-off continuation today, and we got that sell-off. And I was talking about in my video yesterday that watch this level of 693 or 4. This is where if any support needs to happen, this will happen here. That's where we got that support, right? Little bit buyback, I mean. However, SMCI is still negative for the day. We sold off in continuation today and we closed lower at $738. Now the question comes, it's going to continue to sell off tomorrow, and is this going to come down to 200 days moving average? Now before going into those technicals, we'll take a look at the structure and everything, how things are looking like. I want to go over one article, because remember how analysts were upgrading SMCI to $1,500, right, up here? And I said, guys, that's impossible. I don't see anything of that happening because all the structure was to the downside. And we have some analysts now. Okay, I am trying to find one article. It's all in there. Now they are downgrading. Their price target is still higher, but they are downgrading left and right now. Some are keeping it neutral, $800. They raised it actually, Wedbush, from $530 to $800. Wells Fargo. Wedbush kept it neutral but raised the price target to $800 from $530. Wells Fargo cuts its price target to $890 from $960. Goldman Sachs to $800 from $937. Bank of America Securities to $1,090 from $1,280. They are still way high. On average, they are still at what, $850 almost dollars level, right? Where is it? Oh, well, it's not that far, but look at the price downgrades that, well, technically they cut the price target, right? They're saying 850 price target. Now, this is the zone they're talking about. But look at it, they came down from $1,500. That's what I tell you, right? They pump it up, make you buy at the top. Oh, $1,500, while the stock technicals are going down, and because they want liquidity, right? So they will come out with these articles. So it's still going up, still going up. They're still trying to make you buy. Oh, it's still going to go up 850. Buy here. Why? Because it's at 738. You lost money over there because we gave you $1,500 target. But don't you worry. You can recover if you buy here now. 730, then it can go to 850 because that's the price target. Oh, it's $900 price target. Oh, I mean, I can't help myself laughing at all of this stuff. I'm sorry, guys. But, okay, as you know, I don't trade with analysts. I don't trade based off of what they are saying. I trade on the technicals, and that's what we're gonna now talk about as well. So in the technicals, guys, we are still in the downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, has been constantly rejecting that trend line. I said that today we'll have a sell-off. We got the sell-off. Now going forward, what to look for, right, for the structure? Let's go to the 4 hours actually. That will give more clarity. So at this point, guys, nothing is stopping it from flushing as soon as it loses 693. If any rebound comes, that is fine. Let's go to the hourly interval actually, because I did say that, guys, if any rebound comes, that will be shorted. We got that rebound to what, $790 again, and we got shorted again today, right? Now, if tomorrow we are losing 740 to the downside, this can come down to 693. I'm not sure if tomorrow it's gonna flush, but if tomorrow we close closer to $700, then most likely the next day it has a potential to flush lower, but we'll talk about that tomorrow as well, which will be, if that moves happen, that will be then on Friday. But junior trader, can SMCI do another rebound, or can it go higher? If so, what to look for that? Well, so guys, for that, it has to form this inverted head and shoulder. And for that, what we have to see is tomorrow SMCI getting above $760 and above 20 hours moving average. If it can do it, you can again expect this rebound back to this trend line above, and that will also be 200 hours moving average. That's a possibility if SMCI can go above tomorrow 760 and above 20 hours moving average. Otherwise, no, but it has to only be taken as a rebound right now, not a full structure change, just my opinion. Cool, guys, well, that's all for this video. It's not complicated, very simple. We are still on the bearish side. I gave it the structure to see if it has to change to the upside. Otherwise, the structure is still to the downside. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.